Hey guys, let's talk about the German DAX and the Nasdaq 100 and the Dow Jones. Alright guys, so I personally think that the Nasdaq 100 is probably the most interesting right now. I know we had that big slide, a lot of panic in the air, a lot of Robinhooders and other people trading with high leverage options getting squeezed out. Yet, big picture levels, we're still bullish. We're still dealing with an uptrend. It's just that we obtain a lot of damage here. So what's going to happen next then? Well, we're so close to support. And you might remember last week I said people are probably going to be buying here at between 11,121. We also said people are probably going to be buying here at 11,379. Of course, if you can, get rid of that position, the first one, if you bought there. If you didn't buy, you probably bought on the other levels I mentioned and you're doing good. Why do we have this situation? Well, because sometimes we have no clue. To be honest, I've been doing this since 2006, but sometimes you have no clue how much things are going to slide. You just sort of know it's going to slide, and sometimes it overshoots massively. Not massively, but it overshoots a lot, and this is exactly what's happening here. And we have had the opportunity to get out of this one if we wanted to. So what's the next step forward here? Patience. We just need to be patient. Hopefully this is going to sort itself out and go upwards. Now, not everything is bullish. In fact, in the Dow Jones, this is the German DAX. In the Dow Jones, I had some bearish views, and I said last week people are probably going to sell here between 27,946 with stops just above here. That worked out good. We went down as I wanted, not necessarily all the way down, but we went down. Now we're back up at the sell spot, and then we can probably go a bit lower. Who's going to be right here? The Nasdaq 100 crowd or the Dow Jones crowds? I don't really know. And I'm perfectly happy to trade both views. Why? Because here, if we sell here, we would be, say we get entry here and stop on the other side, we lose maybe 1%, 2% of our money. If it goes down, we make, let's actually figure that out actually. Instead of me, we can just put some filters on here. Here, I will make almost 3%. So I risk 1%, I make 3% return, right? If I go to the Nasdaq 100, if I bought down here, stop loss goes here, and we indeed, if we go all the way up, of course, 4% return. But if we go halfway, you're looking at a 2.35%. So I can win 2.35 here and maybe lose on the other one 1%. So I'm up 1.35%. Does that make sense? That's all about reward ratios, and that allows us to trade these. Sometimes though, you don't want to do that. You just want to pick one side, and that's perfectly fine to do that. And a lot of people do that if they have bigger strategy, like a macroeconomic strategy, which tells them, well, you should predominantly look to sell, you should predominantly look to buy. In my case, I'm predominantly just looking to buy because I don't see the Federal Reserve doing any changes. In fact, they're probably going to continue to support the markets. All right, this is the German DAX. The German DAX continues to be bullish now, this very slow market. And I think it has probably to do with the presidential election coming up. And realistically, maybe even the US stock markets are going to be quiet because of the US presidential election, which is going to happen about 53 days from now or so. So what's the game plan here then? Well, I think if we go down to something like 12,918 from this level all the way down here, I think people are going to be buying. Can we not just go upwards and slowly go up and up and up? Yes, of course we can. But now the way this chart looks like, it doesn't look like that's going to happen. And that's our update for the German DAX, the Dow Jones, and the Nasdaq 100. Don't forget to subscribe to our videos as well. To your right, I think you should see more information coming up, or more videos coming up with more market outlooks. In our YouTube channel, you'll find our Euro-dollar outlook, GBP USD. You're also going to find gold and silver online there as well. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye-bye.